What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video we got more unusual options activities. Now guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options trading or about how options work, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activities. Having said that, the first stock that we're going to be going into today, it's going to be PAAS. So that's let me see. Pan American Silver. They are a mining company. They do mine silver and gold. Now there has been quite a bit of a hype with the mining companies, especially silver, gold, and especially uranium recently. And I do have one of those stocks for you guys today. Now coming down here to the option time and sales, we could actually tell that they made quite a bit of a risk-less play on here. They did a 30-33 spread. They bought the 30 calls and they sold the 33 calls, pretty much saying that the price of this miner will go past 30 but not past 33. They're pretty much mitigating their risk. So this is the first stock that I'm looking at. Coming over here to the chart, we could tell that it has been taking quite a bit of a beating for the past 4-5 months or so, but it has caught some type of support on there, and it does look like it's trying to bounce. Now, second stock that I have for you guys is going to be ANGI, and that is ANGI, and that is ANGI Inc. They provide an online marketplace for home services. That is pretty much what they do. Now, coming down here to the option statistics, today's option statistics, we can tell that 53% of the options that were purchased, or the call options that were purchased today, were purchased at the ask price or above. Coming down here to the option time and sales, we could actually tell that it's not very easy to see the unusual options on here, but this stock doesn't usually trade that many options. Now, looking at here, we could tell that they're going for the Octobers, low delta. So if we come over here to the Octobers, we could actually tell there was quite a bit of volume for those two, for the 12.5 and the 15 call. Now, if we come down, we could actually see quite a bit of green for the calls. And, I'm not looking at this one too much as far as the unusual options activity goes. I'm just looking at it because of the activity. This stock doesn't usually trade that many options. Now, coming over here to the chart, it did jump. It did have a big jump today, so that does excuse a little bit of why it traded so many options. But this is definitely something I'm going to be looking at. The volatility elevated a little bit as well there, so this is something I'm going to be looking at. I'm probably not going to pull the trigger right away, but this is definitely something I'm going to be looking at. Third stock that I have for you guys today is going to be Quadruple U. That's UUUU. They are a uranium mining company. Now, coming down here to the option time and sales, we could actually tell that there's quite a bit of call buying for those 8, 9, 10, 11 calls for the short term, specifically for the short term. So if we could actually tell, they're also selling puts, which is usually very bullish. These are not very expensive puts, so it might have been somebody just getting out of a position. But the call buying, I'm really liking. So this is definitely something I'm liking. There's a couple of them as far as uranium goes. I really like UUUU. There's a couple of them like CCJ. There's also a couple of trackers as well, ETFs as well, that you could also get into. But this is the one that I'm looking at today. That is pretty much what I had for you guys. I really appreciate everybody that has been liking, subscribing. I really love you guys. Stay safe out there.